Yeah, I started. Guys, okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I'm going to management services, like you can go to the services, recently viewed services. Okay, why go to image builder? And my sister went compute EC2, like that you can go, or recently, or you can go for here also. Just what I choose. Yeah, before I'm going to EC2, I want to tell about IAM user. Just I will show you. I don't create, or I will create. First of all, I will check it. Okay, so we'll see that. I'm a root user, guys. I'm a root user. Okay. What is MFA? Multi-factor authentication for a device root to improve security for this account. Okay. Root user. So number of users are showing 1, number of groups 0, number of roles 7, policies are 9. So users are 1. Which user? I created this user here. Okay. 76 days ago, and I forget to delete it. Okay. Next. Important thing is always check your bill dashboard once you are login. After at least after 1 or 2 days, compulsory check it, bill dashboard. Okay, check the summary. So how much amount you have to pay. So last payment is not there, so it is nothing I have to pay because we removed all the kind of stuff. Okay, the very important is, guys, we realize the very important points is 0, 0. That is very important. What we realize is that key management service. The key management service bill on you. So finally, we successfully removed. Okay. So we didn't pay. Last time we paid. Okay. So that is first important. Next, we'll go to. So this is US East 1. North Virginia, it is connected. You can change your region if you want it. And check the comparison cost between one region to another region. Cost is also there. Okay, so that is important. So this is a key management service. Okay. Yeah, as I said, first of all, we'll go to IAM user. Okay, so what happened? Already one user is there. What happened? Already one user is there. Okay, you want to know about this user? Just go through the user. Okay, so what are the permissions are given? I given the role called administrator access. Means it's like a full access kind of permissions I given. Administrator access I given. Next. So this is if you want to add any permission to user, you can add it from here. This is user ARN number like this it is. Okay. So these are all permissions, you will get it. Okay. So actually we have to highlight it. So don't worry, I will delete the user before we use it. Okay. So we should not put a passwords and all on the screen, right? So like that last time someone sent a message to me also. I'm adding a user, set user details. I'm adding a user here to show you how to create a user. Okay. Already my name is there. Okay. So which name is better? So Devasri is there or gone? Yeah, she's
Yes,
there.
sir.
Just a name. I don't give you details to you. Okay. So okay. So done. So this is the name, user name. Okay. So access type. So you want to give access key programmatic access like a AWS API, CLI, DK like that, or a password access, enable password access. You want to both, just click on this one. This is a access key, you will get it, access key, secret key to access your certain services. I will tell what it is also. Password, AWS console password, auto generated password or custom password. Okay, I use a password here. Don't worry guys, by evening I will delete this thing. Okay, so I will no, I will don't tell you my password here. So I am putting a password here. Okay, I put a password. Okay, just a name purpose only. User must create a new password at Naslogger, not required. A user don't require to change any password. Just I given a password, not auto generated password, or you can put an auto generated password if you want it. Okay, so you can change the password if you want it. This is access key. Every user must require an access key to access certain services or linking services from one service to another service. This is to login password kind of stuff. So I'm going to next permission. So either you want to add it to a group. Okay, you want to add it to a group, or copy permission from existing user, attach existing policies kind of stuff. So what policies? I am giving administrator access, or like this. So many access permissions are there. You can search it. For example, S3 related access. So Amazon S3 full access, read only access, or you want to give permission to EC2, EC2, Amazon EC2 full access, or container service access, full access, full access, read only access. Okay, like that. RDS. Okay, you want to give the permission for a RDS only, like that you can give. So what I'm doing is I limit the access. Why we should make the user as a administrator? So what it is, I'll give RDS full permission. Okay, RDS full permission, EC2 full permission. That is we know only three things. EC2 full permission. Okay, S3 full permissions I'm giving. So go to next tag. So tag key kind of stuff not required. Review just. So look at here, username. Copy the username. Okay, so I'm creating a new page. This is the username. I know password. Okay. So these are the permissions are given. What are the permissions? This administrator access, full access is there, plus these access also there. We have to remove this administrator access. Okay, so I'm going to previous, again previous. Okay, so remove this filter. So remove this kind of stuff. Okay, so we want to limit the access. RDS, this one, where is S3? Oh, I want to give S3 permission also. Three things only will do it. Now, so this user can able to full access of RDS, EC2, S3. Then click on a create user. When you create a user, okay, it shows access key and secret access key. So copy the access key and share to user. Share to your user. Like for example, Devasri is my employee. It's working for me. So what I have to do it? I have to share the username, password, and access key, and click on show. Here it is. This is the secret key. It's an encrypted password key type. Okay. If you don't know password, also you can access with this kind of key. Okay. So do not share this information to anyone, guys. Don't worry. If you got any doubt, what to do? Delete user immediately. You can share this information. You can share this information to through email also. If you click on send email, so you can just click on send email. Okay. I think it went to my sister email. No pop-up here, so don't worry. Okay, she will call. So I will send a message now only. Otherwise, big problems I have to face. Okay, I send a message whether she is here or not. Otherwise, she block it. Okay, this information go. This is another one. Is a login console. User with the AWS account directly. User can access with this login account. See, this is the complete user information. So normally, so we can directly jump to EC2 or S3 or anything. But user is important, guys. So first of all, I'm the root user. So I have a working, some people are working under me. I'm the manager, or I'm a project team leader, or I'm the administrator. So you need to do some work, right? So what I have to do it? I have to create a user account and get that information, share to the user, make sure that user can able to log in. Okay, user able to log in. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this console. Just I'm copying this console. Okay, successfully login, right? So this is close. Now user is created. So like this, user is created. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to some. Okay, login with account. Okay. So what I've done, I've taken this AWS management console link directly. So this is contains an ID kind of stuff like that, right? So I've taken IAM user. So what is the username? I have to blur it. So we don't have a choice. So we'll try. So successfully I log in here. So switch to new console home, maybe later two are there. So we'll see the new console, how it is there. So next, done. So this is a complete account. You can able to see. Okay, what are the services are available? What are the services so far you used it? You can do it. Guys, understand how to create a account, how to change your regions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is IAM kind of stuff. Okay. How to give access permissions to something. Okay. So it is showing, but if I click here, what will happen? I don't know. But so these are I given a permission to EC2 Lambda like this, like Elastic Beanstalk I given. So it is showing like create application. You don't know how to create that one. So what to do? Launch a web application, documentations. You can read about it also. You can read about it also. Okay. I'm not doing anything. If you don't do anything, nothing happens. Okay. Now all will occur. So this is IAM user. Okay. We have a hardly half an hour. So what I'm doing is I will continue. Okay. Actually, I want to split here, but okay. So Devasri got a access permissions, right? So then what I'm trying to do is, anyway, I will delete an account by evening. Okay. So this is EC2 experience, new experience, now confusion experience. So no problem. So whatever it is, only one thing is, what is EC2 guys? We'll create a virtual machines. Where you will create a virtual machine, which region, how much cost of it, you have to check it. I'm changing my region to Mumbai. So when you change Mumbai, so then if you create a virtual machine, it will be created in a Mumbai only. So many things are there. So instance, this is EC2 dashboard. This is instance. What are the instances are running? So launch instance. Just last time I done. So we'll see. Launch an instance, name and tag, just like a give the machine name, right? So I put a B17, VM1, okay, and which operating system you want it? Which operating system you want it? You want a Microsoft Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE, Linux. Linux is better. Mac OS, Debian. This is a quick. Not only quick, there is a other few more things also there. So this is Amazon Linux, direct free tier eligible is there. If you click here, see what are the free tier eligibles are there. See Amazon Linux, Linux 2. These are the deep learning Linux only there. I select Windows. Some of your current settings will be charged or removed if you are proceed. Changing your AMI result some of the current override and volume things. Confirm changes. What happening here? So it is a free tier, right? So I'm searching for Windows. Unnecessarily I put a new one. Yeah. So this is the your totally Windows related Windows Server 2019 base, 2019 base with containers, 2019 with SQL Server installed with it, SQL Server 2017 Enterprise. See, 2019, 2022 is also available, 16 available like this. But what we have to do it, you have to check. These are eligible for a. These are all eligible for a free tier or not. Otherwise, it is chargeable. It is chargeable. Free tier only. So select free tier only. So these are a free tiers. So I'm going to Windows Server 2019. Free tier eligible. Guys, last time we got a problem, right? What is your problem? So you don't have a 4 GB, 8 GB RAM in your physical laptop. So you can't able to create a Windows Server. Now you can create in cloud. That's why I'm trying to show it. Linux is okay. Linux is feel more. So then I'll select this server. Okay, guys, up to here, understand
Yes, sir.
how to create. And then selecting Windows Server. Yeah, confirm changes. Okay, it is a free tier. It is a free tier. See, it's a quick start, 64-bit, published, enable. So this is free tier eligible, one CPU. See, T2.micro, it's T2 family, one CPU, 1 GB RAM. Okay, so This is also free tier. T2 micro. This is T2 nano. Okay. T3 also there. T3 micro is also there. T3 micro, but it is not showing a free tier available. It's okay, no problem. Instant type, yes, this one only. Key pair required. Key pair login, create a new key pair. So this is our OpenPem pair name. So I'll go to my Windows. B17 Windows 2019. Create a PK. Okay, so you have to download this one. So take it, copy this key carefully. Why key is required? Here it is. No, not this is. This is another project. This is different project. Okay, take the key. Okay, PEM array PMK. So we'll see that one. So why this key? When you are connecting remote PC, it is required. So this is a VPC connection. No reference. Auto SN public IP address. Yellow RDP traffic from anywhere. Okay, so how much storage you require? So by default 30 SSD will get it, right? So kind of stuff. Okay, so you have to go with the summary of this one. This is also summary. You can directly see advanced details. You want to put any other kind of stuff, also you can put it. I'm not doing anything, simply launch instance. Now it is creating. So what I have done, guys, I created a Windows Server 2019 base machine. Okay, and T2.micro, 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM, 30 GB hard disk. View all instance successfully. It is completed. Instance is created successfully. Okay, first of all, guys, what I have done, I created an account. Okay, I create an account. I log into account in AWS. I log into account in a AWS, right? So I go to EC2. Then I choose to create a virtual machine, right? So I created a virtual machine for a Windows Server 2019 base. The instant means the template is T2.micro. You know what is meaning of T2.micro? Means it's a free tier kind of stuff. We'll get a 1 CPU, virtual CPU, vCPU. vCPU is 1 GB RAM. Okay, and also we created a PEM, means key, encrypted key to access. Instant is created. Now what is the next step? This is your desktop. Some desktop it is. Okay, your desktop. You created a virtual machine. You have to access this virtual machine from the cloud, right? In your desktop through your remote desktop part, right? So this is what you have to do it. So go to view all instance. So what are the instance is created? We have to check it. So it's created or not created. So it is instance ID. This is instance name, instance ID. It is running, already running. Initialize, no alarms, zone, public DNS address. This is public DNS address, private DNS address, like this. So when you go to this instance, you're getting information here. Look at that information. Look at here. This is public IP address. See, look at here. I'm copying it. I am trying to communicate from my here. ping. See this? I'm trying to communicate to my server. Request timed out. It is in Mumbai only. It's okay. Open address. This is private IP address, internal IP address. This is for public communication address. This is a public DNS address. Can you see? This is the public DNS address. If you are unable to connect with this one, so you can connect with this DNS also, you can try. This is private DNS address. Host name. This is the host name. Your server host name. So computer operational friend. So is not authorized performing computer kind of stuff it is showing. It is auto assigned public IP address. This is name, location, Windows operating system, Linux is easy, I think. VPC ID. Okay, so very simple, guys. If you don't know, just click here. It will open a page, then you can read it from there. You can go for one by one. Security. So what is the security part? What is port number 3389? RDP port number. Networking. What is public IP address of it? Private IP address of it. Okay. So I am not able to communicate. So we'll see. We'll try with the public DNS. Go to MS DSC. Either IP address or like this username. Try. It may not connect. Not connecting. Very good. So what is the password for that one? For this instance, what is the password? Monitoring tags. Check the status. If something contains an operating system, it contains voice, right? Operating system contains user, right? So like I am going to connect from here only, direct connect. User is not authorized to perform because no identity based policies allows kind of stuff. Rdp client. Yeah, this is a Rdp client. Download remote desktop file. Yeah, this is the way you can try. Okay, this is Rdp file. So I'm copying it and placing in my place. So it is no confusion. So just open it. Try to connect. It is asking a password. So I said get password. Browse. This is the file. Okay. Describe the password. So this is the password. Okay, slowly you have to do it. So no need to worry about it, what is going on kind of stuff. Simply give the password. Click OK. Click yes. Now it is connecting. Aha. Guys, understand what I have done? Just I go to Rdp Client, download Rdp file. Okay, open Rdp file and upload that key, and I got it. The password, copy the password and put it. Now I can able to log in. See, this is my Windows server. This is my Windows server. Okay, the bottom screen is not showing properly like it is. This is my Windows server. See, look it. It is Windows server. You can do whatever you want to do it. You can do it. It is showing EC2 Microsoft Windows guide, EC2 feedback. Okay, kind of stuff. Why it is? Rutuja, you want to control? I can give you control also, no problem. Okay. So if you want, you do like this. So server manager is there. Okay, if you want to control kind of stuff also, we'll try. So it is. So your PC, your physical machine is a 32-bit, 64-bit, virtualization enabled, not enabled, no problem. Only thing is go to the cloud and you can just log in, create an instance, use it once work is completed and delete it. So it is my local server. This is a computer name, group name. Okay, you have a Microsoft Server 2019 data center. So it is running on a Xen. It is using Xen server. Okay, so processor is Xeon CPU E5 2676 model, 1 GB RAM, 30 GB disk space. Okay, it is activated product. I got it. Activated product is I got it. So this is the network Ethernet. Okay, if you want to assign a static, like you take this one and so AWS PV. So this is PV network device. So physical address, MAC address. This is the local address, local private IP address. 172.31 means private IP address. Their default gateway, their DNS address. Okay. You want to install any roles? You can install it. Okay. You can install Active Directory domain services like that. You can practice as per your requirement. So this is okay. It is public IP, private IP. You can see on this one. Okay, architecture, how much RAM it is like this. So this is your. You can close it or shut down also, no problem. You can close. I disconnected it. That's it. This is your machine. Guys, understand somewhat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how to create an instance, how to log in with instance. PM key downloaded. Why? Because of with that one only we can able to access it. Okay. Now your instance is there. Okay, your instance is there. You no longer use of that instance. You feel no longer use. Completed. Your work is completed. So what you do? Delete it. Okay, these are other few reference how to delete it. Action. Last time I deleted successful. You know, we have to do daily. Or if you are anybody having a thing, stop instance. Okay, this is very good. So first of all, I'm stopping this instance. Let it stop. Okay. You can reboot, hibernate, terminate instance, force stop. So usually in an action only we'll get it like that. I stop the instance. Remember that what I have done. Okay, later I will terminate the instance also. Okay, just click on terminate. Terminate successful. So this is our main kind of stuff, right? So this is okay. No. So I will go to CloudWatch. So I have to create a work like a watch what is going on with my cloud. Okay. So I have to create is a particular user what it is doing, what are the things are happening, like that. We can create alarms and all. So I didn't create it, so that's why I don't know what is going on. See, it is terminated successful. Okay, it is terminated successful. Everything is, yeah, monitor is disabling. Monitoring is disabled. Okay, terminated successful. So terminate instance, terminate. It is terminated successfully. Okay, you don't get any delete option is not showing here directly. So terminated is better. Guys, this is the EC2. So I don't have a choice. So then I will show you only S3 bucket because I have only 10 minutes for attending meeting. Okay. This is databases. I am going to storage. Find out where is storage. Storage S3. Okay. So this is S3. What is S3? Storage services. You know, he is also providing some video links also there. You can watch it and you can work on it. Guys, can I create?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So create a bucket. So buckets, you can create how many buckets you want to create and where you want to create, you have to tell. You can copy from existing bucket is also there. B17 bucket. B17 bucket. You can choose any previous bucket kind of stuff. You can choose ACL. ACL disable access control list like a permissions, user access permissions. You want to put it or you can enable it or you can able to disable it, like which user can able to access, like which resources you can able to put the data like that. Okay, so disable kind of stuff, enable kind of stuff, bucket owner preferred, object writers, like that it is there. Okay, so by generally by default you can put it. You know, some people will also block all public access kind of stuff, so I am unchecking it. Meaning is from public also it can be accessible if they know their ARN number, like that, if they know how to access, or otherwise we can restrict it. Okay, all public access. We'll restrict it and later we'll change the permissions. This is versioning. What is versioning? You put some data today. Now I versioned it. You put some changes afterwards. Now the change is not good. You want to go back to the previous one. You want to go to the previous one. That is called a versioning. Okay. Version is meaning of keep multiple variants of object in the same bucket. I created a file, same file will be there. You can use versioning, preserve, retrieve, restore every version like that. Okay. I think you would understand. You can encrypt the data. You can encrypt the data. So these are the things. There is advanced settings also there. If you want, you can go to advanced settings, create bucket. Very simple. Why it is throwing error? Bucket name should not be comes with a cap letter first. Starting cap letters, starting numbers, not agreeable. Uppercase, totally uppercase should not be there. Okay. So this is my bucket. So look at here. This is my bucket. So storage Why it is showing a default dashboard something? Opt to optimize something it is showing. Account snapshot. I didn't take any snapshot. Storage lens, that is for analysis purpose. Guys, this is my bucket. I created a bucket. Okay, so here, if you want to upload a data, you can directly upload it from here. Simple, you can create a folder inside if you want it. You want to do anything, so like you can actions are there. Okay, properties. This is the ARN number. Like you want to connect to any other services from read and write purpose. Metrics, permissions, metrics. Okay, so management, access points like this. So here it is object, very simple. I have a data, I want to upload it. Just click on upload. Okay, you can drag and drop files or add files or add folders. What I'm doing is I will add some file from here. So like this. Okay, I take a file. No. This is here. It is. Yeah. Like this. So 2 files are added. Okay, just click on upload. It is added to here. See, this is a S3 bucket. Destination. 2 files are added. You want to delete a file, so select the file. You can delete it directly from here. This is other action kind of stuff. You can do remaining things. You want to download a file, you can download it also. Just click on download. Please download into your downloads like this. It is file is downloaded. So you upload a data, you download a data also. Copy URL or copy URI. So someone message. So not ours. Okay, just I will. So I copied a URL. I don't have any other browser here. So just I'm trying here to open. Okay. This is showing like this. I'll close. Okay. So we'll check it. Now all. Okay, guys. This is about a S3 bucket. Actually, I want to show one more thing, that is database. At least any database. I want to show how to create it. But now this is enough. So once you are done, what to do? Delete it. Don't keep it in your place. So when you delete it, empty the configuration, permanently delete. First delete the internal data or empty the data, then you have to delete. No, you have to type permanent. Possible, I will try tomorrow. I will show you that one. Otherwise, we'll see. I deleted it now, so why it is showing, still showing here? Delete again. B17. It will show here. You may not see clearly because part it shows what to do in this box only. So you have to type that one. Deleted successfully. So I created a EC2 instance and a seed and deleted. I seen this. I created a bucket and I deleted. If you want, I can do DBS, but now time is there. I have to attend meeting. Okay. If possible, I will try to show you tomorrow. So any RDS, MySQL database kind of stuff, at least. Okay, guys.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Understand at least somewhat something new.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Sir, I want to ask,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, anyone can remove you from Teams meeting? Means today I was left 3 to 4 times automatically. Can you remove the rights from the rest of guests?
I didn't understand.
Sir,